Hey, this is a practice video for Orange Roots Lesson 9. This week we learned that notes are going to get faster and faster as they are divided and the note value gets smaller. So here you're going to start with a whole note that's going to take up the entire measure in 4/4 time. A half note is going to be in each of these boxes. Draw one there, draw one there. You're going to do quarter notes here, 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 and here because those are each going to get one beat. The half note is going to get 2 beats. The whole note gets 4 beats. And then these are eighth notes. So we're dividing in half every time. These are math skills right here, real life music math skills. This eighth note is going to get half of a beat. So eighth, 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 eighth. If you put those two little flags together, remember, it makes a beetle. So this would be beetle, 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 beetle. That's how you would clap and perform it. So how many eighth notes will fit in a whole note? 8. How many quarter notes will fit in a whole note? 4. How many half notes are going to fit in a whole note? Only 2. So let students take a look at that and try to fill it out before prompting any of these. Flashcards can be done with Note Rush today, or you can be timing your purple cards and mark your best time if that is helpful and motivating to students. 5 practices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes, 5 practices. For playing this week for our G major scale on page 5, we're going to sing our scale degrees. Now my voice is healing, but it's still not completely there. So let's go ahead and do hands separately here. We'll start down low, right below middle C for our G major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Students can also sing 1 instead of 8, since they're the same note that they're both G's. Left hand is going to start below low C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now for the A minor scale, this is going to be the exact same fingering as a C major scale because there are no sharps or flats in the key of A minor. And this is in a low A position. So here's middle C. We are going to start our right hand below middle C here. And our left hand is going to start pretty low. Get my phone set up here a little bit better. There we go. So here's where we're going to start. Same fingering as in a C major scale. And we're going to go ahead and sing the solfege. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So as you're practicing that hands together, you can go back to last week's video and review hands separately if you need to. For echo Edison, then we're going to do A minor cadences. We're going to do left hand for the first few days, then right hand. We're going to start on this low A. There's red, blue, no sharps or flats until yellow. Then you have to scoot your hand up the soundboard so that your short pinky can hit the G sharp right there. And back to A. So the first few days, just left hand. Then you're going to try the right hand maybe on day 3. This is the A below middle C right here. Red, blue, red, yellow with a short thumb scooting up for the G sharp, and red. So if you can try hands together, that is totally fine. That, again, the fingering and all to check is on page 7 right there for A minor. On page 9, Echo Edison, we're going to try 1 position a day. And there are 4 positions so that they can repeat one that they like. I'm going to go ahead and show A position because that's just what we've been doing with A minor. Now with A minor, then we're going to start low here. With A minor, we're just going to be doing our question and answer just like in any of the keys. So, oh my goodness. That was a lot lower than I thought. So sorry, I'm really struggling with my camera angles today. Okay, so for A minor, We're just going to be doing 5-finger position, and there are no sharps or flats. So it will just be singing like we've done all the rest of our questions and answers, but this one will be minor. Do, re, mi, fa, so, 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 fa, mi, re, do, do, do. Just up and down in the key of G. Though it does say in your music to start that way up here. So this is middle C, and that's going to be the G that you start on. So questions and answers. Question sounds like it's not finished yet. It's usually going to end on a half cadence or a 5 chord, and then it's going to finish the answer and finish on a 1 chord to really sound finalized. For our music today that we're practicing, Russian sailor dance, hands, A section is hands together. So let's go ahead and play that hands together. We're going to have our hands in kind of a funny position at the beginning. We're going to make sure that our left hand is in E position. Oh, good gravy. And our right hand is going to be in C here. So let's go ahead for this. You know what? I'm going to scoot back and see if we can get a little bit better angle here. All right. All right. We're feeling better about that, folks. E position for your left hand, C position for the right hand. Third finger of the left hand is going to be on a G sharp. This is so much better. Sorry about that, everybody. Let's go ahead and count real counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we're going to add our chord on top with our right hand. 2, 3, 4. Legato, smooth, staccato. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The B section is definitely harder than the A section. We are going to do the first 2 lines of the B section with just our right hand. So students can figure this out. They should be able to figure this out. We are in 3/4 time. Finger 4, it says, is going to be right on an F. That's the F above middle C right here. So we are in C position here. And so that dotted half note is going to take up all 3 beats of there. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second line of B section. 1, 2, 3. Rest, rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's where you should play to. Though honestly, this part of the third line, same as there, same as there, same as there. It changes on the last 3 measures. So if you wanted to practice everything with the last 3 measures on that right hand, you definitely could, because this little section repeats just like this little section right here. So you go ahead and play almost all the right hand minus the last 3 measures right there for Russian sailor dance of the B section. B section is trickier, so be ready for it. I'm reminding myself really quickly. Yes, so you guys have got this. This is kind of a tricky piece, but one of the most fun pieces that we play in all of Orange Roots. Bagatelle Bridges. This is the right hand of the C major section. The C major section is going to start right here, and I want you to count with real counts as we do this. So right hand, C major section. We're going to start with our hand in C position. Finger 3 is going to be on the E. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 which is important because that's going to be the same pattern that you're going to play later in G major and in F major. We have a couple things marked in the music that we haven't done quite yet in class, but we will soon if we don't get to it this class period. So also practicing your composition. Please send me changes. Our next private lesson is on lesson 11. This is lesson 9, so lesson 11 is coming right up. Let me know if you have any questions.